Hi there, in this video, I will be guiding you on how to connect your Aura Ring to your iPhone, so please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining, and this tutorial will help you to set up your ring for accurate sleep, readiness, and activity tracking. So first, you have to make sure that your physical Aura Ring is charged and that your Bluetooth is turned on, and then next you will open your App Store on your mobile phone, and then you go ahead and search for Aura Ring app, and then you will just click the install app, and then once it is installed, you will open the app, and then you will sign in or create an account. Then once you have created your account, you will tap set up new ring, and then you will hold your Aura Ring close to your iPhone until it appears in the list of your nearby devices. When you see your ring, you will tap connect, and then you will follow the prompts to complete the pairing process. And once it is connected, your rings LED will flash briefly, and the app will start syncing your data. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.